Here's a parameter-wise comparison between the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Dimensions: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 161.3 by 75.3 by 9.35 millimeters and weight 226 grams. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 163 by 77.6 by 8.25 millimeters and weight 227 grams. Build: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has glass front, glass fiber back or silicone polymer back, eco-leather, aluminum frame. iPhone 16 Pro Max has titanium frame with glass front and back. Water resistance: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. iPhone 16 Pro Max has IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Display type: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR LED display with promotion technology. Max brightness: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 3200 nits peak brightness. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 1000 nits typical, 1600 nits HDR peak, 2000 nits outdoor peak. Display resolution: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 3200 by 1440 pixels. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 2868 by 1320 pixels at 460 ppi. Screen size: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 6.73 inches. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 6.9 inches. Screen-to-body ratio: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has approximately 89.7%. iPhone 16 Pro Max has approximately 88%. Display protection: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0. iPhone 16 Pro Max has ceramic shield front cover. Back cover material: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has glass fiber back or silicone polymer back, eco-leather. iPhone 16 Pro Max has textured matte glass back. Software/OS: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has Android 15 based HyperOS 2. iPhone 16 Pro Max has iOS 18. CPU and performance: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. iPhone 16 Pro Max has A18 Pro chip. RAM: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has up to 16 GB. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 8 GB. GPU: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has Adreno 830. iPhone 16 Pro Max has integrated Apple GPU. Storage options: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has up to 1 TB. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. Charging: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 90 watts wired, 80 watts wireless, 10 watts reverse wireless charging. iPhone 16 Pro Max has MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging. USB-C fast charge. Battery performance: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 6000 mAh battery, up to 25 hours video playback. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 4685 mAh battery, up to 28 hours video playback. Main camera: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has quad camera system, 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 200MP periscope telephoto, 50MP ultra-wide. iPhone 16 Pro Max has triple camera system, 48MP wide, 48MP ultra-wide, 12MP periscope telephoto. Camera zoom: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 3x optical zoom. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 5x optical zoom periscope telephoto. Digital zoom up to 25x. Video recording: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has up to 8K video recording at 30 FPS. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 4K video recording at 24 FPS, 25 FPS, 30 FPS, or 60 FPS. Selfie camera: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 32MP front camera. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 12MP front camera. Network: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has 5G capable. iPhone 16 Pro Max has 5G capable. USB port: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2. iPhone 16 Pro Max has USB-C. Price: Xiaomi 15 Ultra has starts at approximately $893. iPhone 16 Pro Max has starts at $1,199.